Joemona TV.
Good morning. My name is Joseph Igoche, and today I will be teaching you on how to add graph to your PowerPoint presentation. If you are watching this video, it means you are a little bit familiar with PowerPoint. So to do this, you have to open your PowerPoint. Your PowerPoint can be anywhere, it depends on your window. It can be on the window desktop area around this place. It can be on your taskbar, provided you pin it here, and it can be on your start button. So let me open my PowerPoint. Okay, my PowerPoint is up. Yours can delay a little bit. It depends on the speed of your system. For this lesson, we'll be using a blank presentation. Sorry, a blank slide. To open a blank slide, click on New and click Blank Slide. We can as well delete this since we don't need it for this tutorial. Now, when you're working on PowerPoint and you want to add a slide, a graph to it, PowerPoint don't really have a layout for graph itself, so it has to import from Microsoft Excel. Though you don't really need to go to Microsoft Excel yourself to work and import, because you can as well work from here while it's open Microsoft Excel on its own. So to do this, all you need to do is to click on Insert, come to Chart. Now there are many charts here. We have the column chart, we have the line chart, we have the pie chart, we have the bar chart, we have the area chart. There are many of them. It depends on what you want to do, but all are the same. You really need to work from Microsoft Excel. So for this lesson, we'll be using this column chart. Once you click on this column chart, it will redirect you to Microsoft Excel, because Microsoft Excel is a platform where you can add value to your chart. So let's click on it. Okay, you can see it pops up on its own. This is Microsoft Excel by the right, and this is Microsoft PowerPoint. Now anything you work on Microsoft Excel affects Microsoft PowerPoint automatically. That's how it works. Now this PowerPoint, this graph here has 3 series, which is series 1, series 2, series 3. Series 1, series 2, series 3. Now you can see, let's assume you want to work on a demand and supply of chicken for a particular period of time. Automatically you need just 2 series, which is series 1, series 2. So how do we go about the series 3? You can as well delete it. Come to this, right click on it, right, and delete. So we have just 2 series now. You can see series 1, series 2. Now there's a key here. This red implies that series 2 is represented by red and series 3 is represented by blue. This is the kind of key to really explain what the graph is all about to you. You can as well manipulate everything you see around here, including the title, the figures, and what have you. So to do this, let's assume this category 1 should be the year, because we are doing the supply and demand of chicken for a particular period of time. So we use 2005 for instance, 2006, 2007, 2008. Okay, so you can see everything changes. So let's assume the demand for chicken for 2005 was 3. The demand for chicken for 2005 was 3, and the supply was 1. Sorry, the supply was 1. The demand for chicken for 2006 was 4, and the demand was 2. The demand for chicken for 2007 was 6, and the demand was 4. And the supply was 4. The demand for chicken for 2008 was 7 and the demand was 5. Sorry, the demand was 7 and supply was 5. Now you can see none of the supply meets the demand. You can as well change this series 1, series 2 to demand and supply, so you can easily identify it, and anybody seeing it will just get what you mean because it interprets itself. The person can as well follow the key. So you click on here, change it to demand and supply. Wow, I think we are doing great here. Over here you can see we have a very nice graph. Anybody that comes to this side, we know that okay, the blue key represents demand while the red represents supply. You can as well give a title to your graph. To do this, you just have to come to insert, shape and text box. You click here, you can give the title graph showing the demand graph showing the demand and supply of chickens. From 2018, 2005 to 2008. I think this can go. Now the line you're seeing here is a reference, so you can easily trace where the graph meets the point, where the graph meets its value. You can delete it if you don't like it. To delete it is just to click on one of the line, everything gets selected automatically. Then you tap delete on your keyboard and you have it like this. Though it's good because it's easily to trace. I think that's all for now. You can as well save your work. I believe you know how to save. You can press your Ctrl X, or you come to your file, save as. You can as well click this button here to save. That's all for now. Meet you in our next class. Thank you. I remain the Gotcha Joseph, and thank you.